Ethereum is going absolutely ballistic right now. We're at $2,080 as of recording this video, and it is just completely broken out against Bitcoin. Although Bitcoin is right now at its almost previous all-time highs of 60,000, Ethereum is blasting through its previous all-time highs. Actually, already did as of recording this video. Hey guys, my name's Caleb, and in this video, we're going to be talking about Ethereum and the potential of where it's going next, especially as we're seeing all-time highs right now. So in the last 7 days here, we've seen a couple massive breakouts. You can see this gold line here is Ethereum against Bitcoin. Generally, we stay right around the 0.31, 0.32, I'm sorry, 0.031, 0.032, which equals out to about 32 Ethereum to every one Bitcoin, okay, which is usually where Ethereum steadies out. But over time, let me just zoom out over all time here. You can see that we've had these insane breakouts, especially on bull runs with Ethereum against Bitcoin. Now, I don't assume that we're going to ever get to this kind of valuation against Bitcoin ever again. As you can see, we had this in 2017 and we rubber banded up and down from there. But since then, I mean, we've had little ones, but on the grand scale of things, it's kind of leveled out. Now, in this bull run, I do expect there to be another big breakout against Bitcoin with Ethereum, especially with all the new things rolling out, which I'll be talking about in a second. But I'm in no way a financial advisor at all, so make sure you take this as entertainment purposes only and always do your own research. If anything, this should inspire you to do your own research. But this is my conviction. I think that Ethereum is massively undervalued right now. I tell everybody I know about it, grandparents, parents, cousins, uncles, because I simply understand the fundamentals of what it's doing for society and how it's going to be used in Web 3.0 later on in life. But before I talk about some of those things as well, I want to show you really quick, because this is exciting to me, just taking it all in of what's going on right now. This is Ethereum over the last, these are 5-minute candles. Well, not candles, it's a line chart, but this is just in the last, since 7 a.m. Yeah, so since 7 a.m. We kind of bottomed out around, they're not going to do that to me. They're going to do that to me. Anyway, you can see before that popped up, I'm not paying for TradingView, but here, let me just go back to this chart. This one's free. So you can see that we've just completely broken out against Bitcoin here, and all the way up to, it's not even showing it on that chart, but wow, we just keep climbing as I'm recording. 2081. We may hit 2100 by the time I'm done recording this video. But anyway, so there's so much going on. I've talked about it a lot on this channel, but if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe so you stay tuned to all the latest of what's happening. But EIP 1559 was voted in, and it's coming out in the next major Ethereum update. And whenever this rolls out, Ethereum can actually become deflationary, and more than likely it will, at least until ETH 2.0 is released. Now, the reason I say that is because a large portion of the miner fees, which by the way, you can go to Findmatics and read more about it, watch this video. They do a hell of a job explaining of what EIP 1559 does. We've talked about it, again, like I said, on this channel. But people, and I've said this for the last month, people very much undervalue what this means for Ethereum. Ethereum has, over the last, since its creation, 2015 or 14, we've gone from a total Ether supply of 72 million to now we're right around 115 million. We have inflated, the supply of what we have, and that's planned on, right? This is part of the grand scheme plan. But, and that's just due to the total, block rewards that are happening every day. We were at 5, then we reduced it to 3. Now we're at 2 block reward, or 2 Ethereum block reward for every Ethereum mined. Now with the EIP 1559, that's going to level out, okay? This whole inflationary chart here, we're actually going to be going level. You're going to see this go level across or even drop, okay? This line might drop a little bit because of EIP 1559. Now go ahead and read about that. I'm not going to go too much deeper into that in this video, but what I do want to talk about is just that combined with people fully understanding what Web 3.0 is able to bring. We all are obviously aware of the NFT mania that's going on right now, but a lot of people are just seeing it as digital art. But we're starting to see the first entrepreneurs taking it for what it is and making new use cases and fully using the power of what Ethereum was made for, what Web 3.0 is made for, okay? And you can see Mark Cuban here. Forget overvalued artwork. Mark Cuban sees NFT ticketing as the mass market disruptor. So basically what Mark Cuban talked about, you can watch his, I think he did a podcast with, I'm not going to remember the name, but you can just YouTube Mark Cuban NFT ticketing. In that podcast, he talks about an idea he's working on with his team, the Dallas Mavericks, that he's going to make his NFT tickets, into NFTs, because anytime, those are resold after just the initial sale, he can collect royalties on all the ticket sales. So I think I read an article yesterday that I may be totally wrong about this, but resale in tickets to, major mass events like concerts, basketball, whatever, stadium stuff, major ticketing stuff, it's all through resale, because it's like 25% or somewhere between 25 and 50% of the market is resale. So he's able to fully capitalize on all that resale market that's going on in tickets by making them into NFTs and collecting royalties anytime those change hands. Okay, so that's just one use case that we've seen other than digital art out of the many hundreds over the next 5 years. So this is why I've been so bullish on Ethereum. Yep, here we go. Oh my God, we're gonna hit 2100 sometime in the next hour. It may not be while I'm recording. I hope it is. That would be awesome. But this is why I've been so bullish on Ethereum. This is a massive breakout. I think that this trend is going to continue. Look at this gold line just blast up against Bitcoin. Let's look and see before I stop recording. Let's look and see what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin is approaching its all-time high as well, which is so amazing to me that even though Bitcoin is approaching this all-time high, usually Ethereum backs off and kind of cowers down. Ethereum is saying, no, I am here to stay. People are not doubting it whatsoever, even though we are approaching a Bitcoin all-time high, which is usually a no-no. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below what your Ethereum price prediction is. I think it would be awesome to see a $2,400 Ethereum sometime in April. I think that is actually a pretty conservative bet. Again, that's not my, that's my conviction. Always do your own research, but I think $2,400 is the next price target for me. Whether that comes in April, whether we blast past that or not, I reserve the right to fully be wrong about that. But comment down below what you guys think we're going to in the near future. Obviously, long term, we all think we're going to the moon, but let's hear what you guys think about April. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.